Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you looking for a way to verify your BitMart account? Then you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily verify your BitMart account step by step in just a couple of minutes. First of all, launch open the BitMart application on your mobile or go to the official website of BitMart and log in. Once you're inside the home page of BitMart, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner from the home screen. You will then come across this interface where you'll need to tap on your email at the top. On the next page, you'll see Verify Identity or Identity Verification button. Tap on it to start with your verification. Now, complete the level for identity verification. You must be ready with your government-issued ID and facial verification. Tap the Verify Now button and then you'll need to go ahead and answer some of your basic questions such as the country of residence by yourself, verify your profile identity, change your country, select your country once again, and once the data has been accepted, on the next page, get ready to provide your government-issued ID. You can select your ID card provided by your government, a passport, or a driver's license. Make sure you have any one of these and tap on the option that you choose. Now, you'll need to allow BitMart to access your device's camera. Tap on the Allow button and this will open up your device's camera. You can then go ahead and upload the front of your ID or take a picture and then the back of your ID, whichever ID you have chosen, and follow through the instructions. After submission, BitMart will review your documents. Approval takes within few hours to 1 or 2 business days. After you receive a confirmation email once your account is verified, you can then return to the account verification in your profile and your status will show as verified once approved. By following these steps, you will be able to verify your BitMart account. Verified account will give you higher withdrawal limits, better security, and full access to all features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.